People in Trump's corner are delivering pre-fight analysis to gaggles of reporters.
This is election interference at its finest against the leading candidate right now for president, for either party. President Trump is under siege in a way that we have never seen before.
Trump's getting stronger. Anybody can feel that. Jesse Binnall is an attorney for President Trump, and he joins me now. So, Jesse, what's the legal strategy when you go to court for the Jan 6 case?
Well, the legal strategy in this case, I think, is very simple. You attack the facts that Jack Smith put out that are wrong. For instance, Jack Smith claiming, as you already pointed out, that Donald Trump did anything other than call for peace and patriotism on January 6th is wrong. And then you attack the law, because Jack Smith has the entire law in this case wrong. And more importantly, he's ignoring the Constitution of the United States. And here's how. The First Amendment gives you the right to speech, something that Jack Smith's prosecutors are completely ignoring. But more than that, it also gives you the right to petition Congress for redress of grievances. And in this case, when you are saying there was fraud in the election, there were problems in the election, and we think you should seat executors X instead of electors Y, that's something that the First Amendment under the petition clause clearly protects. And there are any number of other problems with this case, but I think most importantly, Jack Smith is terrified that Donald Trump is going to be elected again, because Jack Smith is actually the one terrified of democracy, because democracy would bring accountability for him and quite honestly, his out-of-control prosecutors and an out-of-control Justice Department.
When you guys
and so he brought this case in Washington, D.C.
Yeah, I mean, everybody knows that's a joke. You'll probably try to take a motion to move venues. When you do, though, go to trial, are you going to be putting the 2020 election on trial? What will that look like?
Well, I'm not part of the trial team on this. He's got some excellent lawyers on this, including John Lauro. Is going to, I think, be able to put together a great case for this. But when they do go to trial, they absolutely, the government has opened up the 2020 election in their indictment, within the text of the indictment themselves. So you bet Donald Trump is going to have a case to show the irregularities and the fraud that was in the election. He can do that.
All right, Jesse, good luck. Thank you so much.
And I think that's but let me also say this. This case should never make it to a trial. This case should be dismissed, and there's strong arguments to dismiss this case.
All right, we'll see what happens. Thanks for coming on.
Hey, Sean Hannity here. Hey, click here to subscribe to Fox News YouTube page and catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis. You will not get it anywhere else.